This is the demonstration of P-19 panel AM FM radio receiver. The bottom portion, whatever we see, is for AM section like AM antenna. A ferrite rod has been used here for AM radio. Next stage is AM receiver and oscillator. First AM IF amplifier, and similarly an audio amplifier section is also there at the last stage. Similarly, on the upper portion we have got FM section. There are different stages again. RF amplifier, first FM IF amplifier, second FM IF amplifier, FM ratio detector, etc. Apart from these things that I have discussed with you right now, we have given different test points. So different test points are there, like test point 1, test point number 2, and so many test points for AM and FM are there. So you can observe voltages as well as you can observe waveform on DSO. I don't have a DSO right now to show you some waveforms, but there is a DMM. I can check some voltages. This is the P-19 manual. So very beautifully we have provided all things here, like this is the block diagram of AM FM radio. The upper portion is FM. We have provided a 8 ohm 0.5 watt speaker here, and this is the 386 audio amplifier IC we have used. This is the gang capacitor to select the radio stations, and this is the power supply section, a transformer to step down transformer, and some electronic things to make the AC voltage into DC, to convert the AC voltage into DC. We can work with this receiver with the 9 volt battery also. Right now I have connected an antenna in this way, and this is the FM thing. This is the FM station which is being heard. This is the gang capacitor. So 88 to 108 megahertz is the FM. And the next thing which I want to tell you is about the different experiments that we can do. It is given in the manual. Circuit sections of AM FM radio, static measurements of audio amplifier, observation table, automatic gain control, observation table, AM sensitivity, observation table. So many experiments we can do here. And in the last part they have very beautifully it is given here that how to assemble the radio kit. What are the components that have been used, all are written very nicely, identifying components like IFT. So many IFTs are being used here for FM and AM. FM is orange, green, pink, blue, and for AM, different other color IFTs have been used here. Capacitors, what good soldering looks like, some tips they have provided here in the manual. The common sections of AM and FM. This is a volume control potentiometer as well as on-off switch. So one of the voltage I would like to demonstrate, I would like to show using a digital multimeter. I have put the switch to AM, I will put the switch to down, and here also I will select the switch to AM position. This I will connect to the ground, and this is the voltage that I am trying to check. That is AM first IF amplifier, TP5 test. So you will ask me, where is your test point number 5? This is the test point number 5. This is first IF amplifier. So the voltage I am getting right now is 1.77 voltage. This is AM section actually, and here it is mentioned as 1.42 volt in the manual. So that's all in this short demonstration, short video demonstration about AM and FM receiver. Buy it and have fun. Thank you.